Okay, so somebody left a question about hiding layers in Gdvelop. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so let's open a project. To open the project from yesterday. Because if you don't have this file, you can refer to the previous video. Alright. So let's take this block here, and you can see that we only have one layer. So let's add another layer. Let's call this layer super layer. Now to put this object in that layer, all you have to do is click here, add it to super layer. Let's go to events, add a new event. If you press a key, say for example W, we can hide that layer. Go to layers and cameras, hide a layer. We are going to hide super layer. Run the game. Actually, I don't think you need quotations for this. You just need W. Press W and that works fine. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.